please can you repeat the question?
Okay,
Ma'am, can you
listen
repeat the
friends
question? Can
carefully
you repeat the
and
question,
listen.
please?
Okay, now I will mute you all of you. Listen carefully first.
Ma'am, mute you. Your voice is not clear.
Your
voice is not clear.
Okay, students, your question is for divisibility of 2. What should you do? When you have a number, you which first which thing you observe?
Unit place.
Yes,
Unit place,
excellent.
ma'am.
Yes, unit place. Then check either it's even and odd. Then
Ma'am, if it is even, then it's visible by 2, or if it is odd, then not visibility by 2.
yes. Okay, good. And any other student? Yes, Muhammad.
Ma'am, first do we write? Ma'am, first do we write? We write. First we check. First we write it's even or not.
Yes.
No, first then we write. Ma'am, it's a unit place. Then we write. Therefore, that is divisible by 2 or not.
Yes, excellent. Okay, yes, Ibrahim Bukhari, you.
First check the unit place. If the unit place is
Yes, Adina.
First we observe the unit place, then we write yes or no,
Yes.
and write that it is divisible by 2 or not.
Okay, now for example, students, your number is 139. Tell me 139 is divisible by 2 or not?
no, ma'am, not divisible by 2. Ma'am,
Yes.
because it has 9 at its unit place. It's 9.
Yes.
And 9 is an odd number, so it can't be divisible by 2.
Yes, Salar.
And it's not divisible by
139 is
139 is not
yes, it's not divisible by 2. Why?
Ma'am, because it has
Because
9 at its unit
odd
place, and 9 is an odd number.
Yes, excellent, students. Okay. And now we will start our work. Our unit is factors and multiples. Okay, our unit is factors and multiples. And today it's our 12th lecture, and you have done test of divisibility by 2 on yesterday. Today is 9th July 2020. Day is Thursday. And your topic is from page 20 to 23, tests of divisibility. Okay. Okay, now it's your second test. You have done the first test, test 1, which is divisibility by 2. Now it's second test, test number 2, divisibility by 3. Okay, students, now leave all the task and see on screen side and understand the thing. After this, I will take your test. So, be attentive, all of you. For divisibility by 3, your rule is what? If the digits of any number add up to number which is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. Can you understand this statement? I think so, no. You can understand this statement with the help of example easily. What is in this statement? In this statement is when you have a number like 105, 105. Okay, you have a number 105 and you want to check it is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, friends, when you want to check it is divisible by 3 or not, so what should you do? First of all, you will write add the digits. What are the digits? These are three numbers are digits. 1, 0 and 5. These are 3 digits. Okay. So you will write 1 plus 0 plus 5. So answer will be what? 1 plus 0 plus 5 equals to what? 6. Yes, 6. It's 6. And now you check 6 is divisible by 3 or not. By
Yes, ma'am.
by table. Yes, by table. You will check either 6 is divisible by 3 or not. You will read the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 6 is divisible by 3. When 6 is divisible by 3, therefore the original number which is given in your question is divisible by 3. Clear, friends?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Okay, now
Yes, ma'am.
yes, it's easy and interesting. Okay, it's different from the second one, first test. Listen once again. Who have problem? Listen once again. When you have a question, stop talking everyone and see on screen side. Your question is 105. Number is 105 and you want to check this is divisible by 3 or not. For writing solution, you will add the digits. What are the digits? 1, 0 and 5. These are 3 your digits. So you will write 1 plus 0 plus 5. Answer will be 6. Whatever you have you got answer, you will check is it divisible by 3 by taking table, by reading the table. Yes, 6 is divisible by 3. When this one number is divisible by 3, then you can write therefore original number, given original number 105 is divisible by 3. Is it clear, friends?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Anyone have any problem here? Zainab?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, now come to the next one example. Be attentive once again. Be attentive all of you, and after this I will give you some questions you will solve. Yes, Ibadur Rahman, see on screen side. Now you can check the B1 is 593 divisible by 3? Your question is the given number is divisible by 3 or not. So for writing solution, you will write add the digits. Your digits are 5, 9 and 3. So you will write 5 plus 9 plus 3. Add up all these and check what will be the answer. 5 plus 9 plus 3 is 17.
17.
Yes. Now you read the table of 3 because you want to check divisibility by 3. Read the table of 3. 3 is divisible by 17.
No, ma'am.
So you write 17. Yes. 17 is not visible by 3. Therefore, when this number is not visible by 3, then therefore the given question 593 is not visible by 3. Clear? Students,
Yes,
is it
ma'am.
clear? Okay. Now
Yes,
it's your
ma'am.
turn. Now it's your turn. Exercise 2A, page 22. Now you can check question number 5 is given. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 3? You have 4 parts here. Hurry up. Start doing your work now. Start and do like this example. First of all, write 624 solution and solve. Yes, Adina?
Ma'am. Ma'am, I know the answers. Ma'am, I know the answer of A, B, C. Ma'am, I know the answer of A.
Okay, if you know it's good, but do the working like this. Okay,
Okay,
do the
ma'am.
working. First of all, write first point, add the digits. You got some number. Then write it is divisible by 3 or not. And then the next one. Yes, Adina, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. We have to do it on book.
Any loose sheet, any page, or you can use a whiteboard or anything for maths. Yes, Masad? Yes. You start doing and then tell me the answer of A part. 624 is divisible by 3 or not? By yes.
Ma'am, 624 is divisible by 3.
Okay. And you have done these 3 steps first. Yes.
624 is divisible by 3.
Yes, excellent.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
you have done the steps. Yes, Harisa. You have done? Yes.
130 is divisible by 3.
Excellent. Okay, now come to the next one, B1 part, 2358. Solve it and tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, this one.
Yes, Kimbal, what are you doing? You have 4
Ma'am,
parts
which?
to solve it.
ऐसे इनको क्लास करना
0 and
है
Yes, Rafiullah.
yes, ma'am.
Today's work is easy or difficult?
Ma'am, it's easy.
Okay, and it's interesting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do your work next for this part. Yes, Muhammad Ibrahim.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
You have 4 parts here of question number 5. Do these 4 parts. Do working.
मुझे इसको समझने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है
Which
Ma'am, which numbers are divisible by 3?
you will check second part. Yes, Muhammad, in which
Ma'am,
question you feel problem?
Ma'am, which 2000?
Excuse me, ma'am.
How many numbers are divisible by 2? Ma'am, 202,358 is divisible by 3.
Yes, okay,
Ma'am,
listen friends.
2,300.
2,300
Ma'am, can you please tell which is divisible by 3? Which number is divisible by 3?
Yes. This
Which
one.
number is divisible by 3?
Yes. Okay, Ibrahim, you feel problem. Listen once again. You have a number. Okay, come to the example in front of you. 593. Muhammad Ibrahim and friends who have problem, listen once again. This example is 593 divisible by 3. So you have a number 593. So you will add the digits. Sum the digits. Answer you got this. It's 17. Check 17 is divisible by 3 or not. By table. So it's not divisible by 3. Then you can write the original number is not divisible by 3. Clear? Muhammad Ibrahim, is it clear? Now you can solve these questions using this way. Yes, clear, Fatma?
2,358 is divisible by 3.
Yes, excellent.
Ma'am, part B is
divisible by 3.
Yes,
40 पे खत्म होना है.
Ma'am, it is divisible.
yes,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am,
Salah.
it is.
Ma'am, it is divisible by.
Let me check.
Yes,
Ma'am, 624 is divisible by 3.
good. Okay, Adan, you?
Ma'am, 2,358 is visible by 3.
Okay, first of all, tell me when you add the digits 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8, what will be your answer?
8. 18.
Yes,
18.
18 is visible by 3. Then the original number is visible by 3. Good.
6 are 18.
Yes, good. Okay, now come to the C1 part.
Yeah, just a minute.
Come to the C1 part. Yes, Simba, you have
Ma'am,
done.
130 is not divisible by 3.
Yes, ma'am, it is not divisible by 3 because
It is not divisible.
not divisible by 3
It is
because
not
4
divisible.
is not divisible.
Yes,
And because 4 do not come in 3 tables.
yes, excellent students. When you add the digits 1 plus 3 plus 0, your answer will be 4. And 4 is not divisible by 3, then the whole number is not visible by 3. Excellent. Now come to the D1 part.
3 plus 6, 9.
3 plus 6,
1 plus 2.
Ma'am, 3612 is divisible by 3.
Ma'am,
It is divisible by 3.
divisible by 3.
Good.
Ma'am, it is divisible by 3.
Yes,
Ma'am,
okay.
because 3 4s are 12.
Ma'am, because 3
It is visible by
2612
2612 is visible by 3
by
because
3
the
because
answer when we get
answer
this on
is 12.
3000. Yes, ma'am, it is divisible by 3.
Yes, excellent friends.
B and D part are visible by 3 and C and only C part is not visible by 3.
Yes, what is your name?
Ma'am,
Yes, what is your name?
Ma'am,
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 Yes.
ma'am, please tell me what we can do.
Yes, who want to say something?
Ma'am, please tell me what we can do. Ma'am, can we do in this exercise?
Yes, this is your exercise question number 5. You have done these 4 parts. You will do more practice for checking when you got some numbers. You will check either it's visible by 3 or not by taking these 3 steps. Okay?
Ma'am, can you please?
I want to say something.
Yes, say okay.
Ma'am, A, B and D part are visible by 2. Only C part is not visible by 3.
Yes, excellent friend. Okay, friends. All of you clap for her. Clapping. Okay, you are intelligent and good friends. And now, what the next? Yes.
Can we do another exercise?
yes, ma'am, please give us another exercise. It was
Okay,
fun.
I will give you some questions orally. Write down a number 592. 592.
592.
Ma'am,
I screenshot. Ma'am, I take
Ma'am,
screenshot.
ma'am, 592 is not divisible by 3.
Okay, first of all,
Ma'am,
tell me
yeah,
the step.
it's not divisible by
592. When you
It
add
is not divisible by 3.
5 plus
Yes,
9 plus
ma'am.
1, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, it will be 16.
What? 5 plus 9 plus 2.
9, 112.
16 does not come in two tables. It is not divisible by
Ma'am, it is divisible by 3.
divisible because it is 16.
Yes, excellent friends.
Ma'am, it is
not divisible by
3.
Yes, excellent. Okay, listen. Today, what is your work? Question number 5, do again as practice on loose sheet. And the other thing is, you can choose any other numbers. Okay, let's suppose 4-digit number or 3-digit number, and you will check either it's visible by 3 or not. You have done 2 steps. Okay, friends, you have done 2 steps.
Ma'am, I have a question, please.
Yes, yes, friends.
And all the homework before we have done on loose sheet, we have to keep them
Yes, just
safe or
No need to maintain neat notebook. You just do the practice as on loose sheet. Okay, or either you can use whiteboard as well. But your writing should be neat.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
so
it
tell
is
me who
fun.
have problem in this test.
Ma'am, I don't have any problem.
Yes, Ibadur Rahman.
I don't have any problem.
Ibadur Rahman, you want
Ma'am, if you do not know three table, you have problem. And if you know three table, you do not have problem.
in which?
If you have problem,
Yes.
you do not know three table. If you do not have problem, you know three table.
Yes, excellent. First of all, friend, you learn the table of 3. When you know the table of 3, then you can read the table of 3 and then you can tell this number is either divisible by 3 or not. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you explain exercise 2A again?
Okay, yes. I will explain before the exercise. I will explain this example. See on screen side, your example is 593 divisible by 3. You have to solve these 4 parts same like these steps. Okay. See on screen side, 593 divisible by 3. First of all, for checking of divisibility by 3, you will write add the digits. What are the digits? Digits are 5 plus 9 plus 3. Okay, you will write sum of the digits or add the digits. Answer will be 17 and you will check the 17 is divisible by 3 or no. 17 is divisible by 3? Yes, tell me. 17 पे 3 का टेबल जा रहा है?
No.
No. So you will write therefore the original number 593 is not divisible by 3. Clear?
Okay,
Clear,
ma'am.
friend?
Yes.
Okay, now you can solve the remaining parts same like this one example. Okay, friends? Yes, Inara?
Ma'am?
Do you have any problem today's work?
No, ma'am, I have the answers.
Okay, good. Okay, friends, now you have done 2 tests, visibility by 2 and visibility by 3. Inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss visibility by 5. Okay?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer? Ma'am, I know 5.
Okay. Tell the answer. Who want to say?
A part and B and D part are visible by 3 and C part, only C part is visible to.
Yes, C part is not visible by 3. It's good and visible.
Because it comes 4 and 4.
You have
we
done
do not
these
have.
3 points.
Ma'am, C part is visible by 2. Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Okay, listen. Now you have a number. You want to check visibility by 2. Then what will be the answer of these 4 parts?
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
tell
ma'am, all parts are. Ma'm,
A
two parts
part
is not visible by 2.
visible by
Ma'am, I
3, C and D are visible by 3.
Ma'am, I
C
want to
part
say
is
something.
only C part is
Okay,
visible by 2.
same.
Ma'am, all the parts are divisible by 2.
Okay, listen, friends. Just one student can speak one time. Okay, who want to say something? One by one.
Ma'am, I want to say.
Yes. Listen, Adan Ahmed. Your name is what? First, tell me. Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain me test number 2?
Exercise 2. What?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have 4 parts here and you want to check either the number are divisible by 3 or not. First of all, you will do the test using this example. Add the digits. When you got some number, you will check either it's visible by 3 or not. If it's visible, then you can say the original number is visible by 3. If it's not visible by 3, then you can say it's not visible by 3. Yes, then. Yes.
Ma'am, the C part the 130 is not visible by 3, but it is visible by 2
Yes.
because 0 comes on its unit place.
Yes, excellent friends.
Yes.
For
Ma'am,
visibility by
all the
2,
parts are divisible by 2.
yes, all parts are visible by 2. For checking out visibility by 2, you will check unit place, and unit place is an even number, then the whole number is visible by 2. Excellent friends. And now all of you can clap for
Ma'am?
you. All of you, yes.
Ma'am,
And from my
it
side,
is visible by 2 because 1 plus 3 is equals to 4 and 2 plus 2 is equals to 4.
listen the difference between visibility by 2 and visibility by 3. For visibility by 2, you just check your unit place. Okay, you always check unit place. And for visibility by 3, you always sum of the digits and then you will check either it's visible by 3 or not. Clear? Make the difference between those in these two tests. Is it clear? Okay, friends.
Yes, ma'am.
Now your homework is what? It's again practice. Okay, what is your homework? From countdown page 22 and question number 5 again as practice, and you can check by taking different numbers, either it's visible by 3 or not. Okay, friends, now it's time to say Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, ma'am.
Allah Hafiz.
Hafiz, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Have a
Same
nice
to you
day.
and
Have a
same
nice
to you.
evening.
Have a nice evening and night because day is gone. Now it's evening, afternoon,
After
and night.
yes, and then night.
Thank you, teacher, for teaching us. And we listen carefully.
Yes,
Okay.
you welcome all of you. And now Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
Allah Hafiz.